So here's something interesting that I found at an estate sale, and it is screen shades samples of things. And so when I opened it up, this is what I found. This material that I thought, wow, I could use that for the backing of when I make my plates, or just to put into a corner of a page. But it had all these different colors and materials of screens and samples, and there was a whole box of these different colors, different shapes. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will show you in the video what I made with these. So this is what I end up making with those screens. As you can see, I've cut a lot of them up just for different sizes. There's all kinds of, like I said, different colors, different textures. So what I decided to do was make little page corners, and for instance, this could be the journal plate that I put on, if you can get an idea. But they turned out really cute, and so that's kind of an example. And then this is one that I'm working on. Let me see. So I can find an empty page here. For instance, I did like some corner designs. So I had the hearts. I did like a feather and just sewed some things on. So that can go onto a page, and it can actually be used for a tuck spot right here. That's one. This can also go on the front of a book. A black and white book would be really nice. I don't have one going right now. Here's another corner one. So this material is really nice because you can glue on it. It's kind of see-through a little bit. Some of it depends on how thick it is. Here's another one. Let's see what that would look like. Oh, that's cute. And then you can, write what you want on there. Let me see. Here's one. But they really are sturdy, and I've even layered some of the screens on top of each other. I've done like a 2 or 3 layer. And see, that's cute. Here's one that you can actually put on, oh, wait a minute, 2, sorry. So that would be cute on a page as a decoration. And so I just cut them down to do layers. It's another one, and they just keep everything in place, and they're really easy to sew. But all it is different types of screen. Like I said, I got it at a garage sale or estate sale or something. Somebody must have been a salesman for this stuff. But again, I mean, I only cut up a few, and I got all these out of it, all different colors, different textures. That was just such an awesome find. You never know what you might find at an estate sale. So there's all kinds of colors. And these are just some of the things that I've made with it. I'll probably be thinking of more things to do. But all of them turned out really cute, I think. And let's see. Well, this is kind of... I could just imagine this on the front of a black and white journal would be really cool. Okay, guys. Maybe when I get some free time, I'll make some more on the camera, on the video. All right. Well, thanks for watching.